Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use MBUX Hotspot from the following car. So basically, let me show you how to allow the car to act like a router. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes. Let's swipe to the left until you see the car icon and let's select it. Now let's use the top menu to choose here system. From the system, you've got access to a few things that you can use, and one of them is internet and Bluetooth. Under internet and Bluetooth, you can choose here the MBUX hotspot, as you can see. So as I said, you just allow the car to act like a router if you have a data plan for the car. So this MBUX package, MBUX card, you can share the internet to your passenger or to your phone or tablet. Here you've got the vehicle hotspot name and the password. If you tap it, you can tap yes here and change the password. Let's wait. Right now the MBUX hotspot is generating new hotspot, new password. Here you've got also the QR code that you can use. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.